So here I am in Valletta, everyone, and I'll be showing you my street photography with a 35mm lens. I'm gonna wait for someone to come into the shot and I'm gonna take a picture of the scene behind me. If someone took every lens that I own and told me I can only keep one focal length for the rest of my life, I choose the 35mm. Not because it's perfect, but because it lets me forget about the lens. Photographers spend a lot of money chasing sharper lenses, wider apertures, better autofocus, but very few stop to ask one simple question. Am I even using the right focal length? Whether it be a 24mm, a 35, a 50, and even an 85mm. And the truth is, your focal length changes your photography far more than the brand printed on the front of your lens. The problem with a wide-angle lens. Wide lenses tell big stories, but sometimes they tell too much. Instead of looking at your subject, your eyes starts wandering around the frame. Now the problem with going too long. Long lenses do the opposite. They isolate beautifully, they compress, they simplify, but something changes. You stop feeling part of the street. Instead, you become someone watching from the outside. For me, 35mm sits perfectly in the middle. Tight enough to keep your subject important. Natural enough that nothing feels exaggerated. This is why so many legendary street photographers built entire careers around this angle of view. It doesn't shout, it simply tells the story. People often say 35mm feels natural, not because it's identical to human vision, but because it captures enough of the world to feel immersive without becoming distracting. When I look through this focal length, I don't think about composition anymore. I react. Now, before anyone points it out, I'm shooting on a Fujifilm camera, so the lens I'm actually using is a 23mm. Because of the APS-C sensor, it gives me the same field of view as a classic 35mm lens on a full-frame camera. That's why throughout this video I've been talking about 35mm. I don't chase people, I let people walk into the photograph I've already created. It's a completely different way of shooting. Every photograph starts with one thing. Everything else is a bonus. The person simply completes the composition. I love photographs that ask questions. Who is this person? Where are they going? What's just happened? The less you show, the more people imagine. This is exactly why I love shooting with a 35mm field of view. I don't feel like I'm searching through the scene. I feel like I'm already inside it. This focal length feels incredibly natural. I'm not fighting the frame, I'm working with it. I get enough of the surroundings without losing the subject. I've tried forcing myself to use different focal lengths over the years, but I always seem to come back to this one. Not because it's better, because it disappears. I don't have to stand half a street away. I don't have to get uncomfortably close either. I am close enough to feel connected, but far enough to let people behave naturally. When I look through the viewfinder, nothing feels exaggerated, nothing feels cramped, the scene simply feels natural. Photography isn't about owning more lenses. It's about finding one that disappears. One that lets you stop thinking and start seeing. For me, that's a 35mm. Now, which one would you choose? Just let me know in the comments. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.